We've got two identical pieces of trim here. Both came off the same refrigerator, and as you can see, yeah, they look a little yellowed. The fridge is about 15 years old, so this is just good old-fashioned aging. What we're going to do is to treat one piece and leave the other one alone. No tricks, no maybe it looks different in this lighting, just a straight side by side to see if this stuff actually does anything. I'm going to put a pretty generous amount on this one. Make sure it's completely covered, and then we'll set it out in the sun for a couple of hours. After that, we'll bring them back in and see if we've got a miracle or just slightly shinier yellow plastic. Here we go. So we left them out in the bright sun for about 2 hours, and here are the results. I can see a slight difference between the treated and untreated pieces. It's there, you kind of have to look for it. Definitely not one of those, wow, that looks brand new moments. Maybe if you did a few more treatments, it would improve a little more. Or if your parts are a lot darker than these, maybe you'd notice it more. But as it stands, I can't say this is a game changer. I'd give it a solid C+, which coincidentally was about my grade point average in school. If your parts are too far gone, you might be better off replacing them. Grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com, and for more helpful videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.